Now crossing over into the wrong side of traffic again. Now, and he has a center divider here, a lawn in between the lanes of the road, and it's almost impossible for him to get back on the right side of traffic now. So he's still on the wrong side of the road. CHP has backed off significantly, or rather El Monte, almost swerved, and now he's losing control of the vehicle. Oh, and just smashed into a vehicle. Again, this was on the wrong side of traffic. He swerved as he tried to avoid an oncoming vehicle. Now the driver is running out of the car here. We believe we're in the Pico Rivera area, exited the 605 near Whittier Boulevard. The driver now running southbound in to parking lots, and here this is it looks like an apartment building here, continuing to run southbound here through the buildings. Looks like he's come upon a fence, doesn't have much way to go. There he goes now, laying down, face down on the lawn here. Oh! Wow. He just kicked him directly in the shoulder there. No, he kicked him. And you can see there the police and the canine unit there as they're taking him into custody. And now they've got him subdued there, face down on the lawn here. We believe we're either in South El Monte